Welcome to this week's Top 5 video. Today we are discussing the top 5 IT considerations during a merger or acquisition. Mergers and acquisitions are a widely used strategy for organizations looking to grow market share in competitive industries, and IT is playing an increasingly larger role in driving a company's market differentiation. Integrating two IT organizations with different systems, processes, policies, and resource efficiencies is a huge challenge within the M&A process. At Blazon, we often get asked by customers to create an accurate baseline of IT infrastructure assets and services to enable visibility during a consolidation or divestment process. The following list details the 5 considerations we most often run into. Number 1. Hardware assets. Servers, networking infrastructure, and client computer hardware can add up to thousands of valuable interconnected assets. An accurate inventory is essential for a true valuation of the IT infrastructure of an organization. Once IT has a clear view of how many devices are accounted for, the next task is to determine how many are actively being used in order to identify potential savings. Number 2. Software licenses. Similar in nature to hardware inventory but more complicated to gather is the listing of what applications are in use, both at the OS and end user levels. One client system can easily have more than 20 licenses installed, not all of which may be active. In addition, some are purchased centrally, while others are licensed directly by the end user, making this category more difficult to inventory. Number 3. Application services. Due to the rapid growth of cloud-based applications, subscription licenses are becoming mainstream. Subscription terms must be researched to determine renewal dates in order to assess the cost of consolidating licenses. Number 4. IT operational costs. Operating and administering IT services requires expensive management tools and enabling infrastructure. Rationalization of these tools is a complex and challenging task, especially if the two organizations have standardized on different vendors. Blazon normalizes, refines, and intelligently merges data from multiple management systems based on different vendors' operational platforms to build an accurate picture of the IT infrastructure being managed. Number 5. Procurement. Increased purchasing power can be a potential incentive for mergers, assuming the requisite governance and IT asset management processes are in place. Economies of scale mean higher discount levels can be negotiated based on meeting new volume thresholds. At the strategic level, mergers and acquisition decision makers need to ensure that any deal makes financial sense and achieves corporate objectives. At a tactical level, it is absolutely critical that the integration of IT infrastructure runs smoothly and quickly, since a company without functioning IT is a non-functional company. IT's central role as a driver is only possible when the data informing the decisions is accurate, timely, and properly contextualized. Blazon's data quality solutions are particularly effective at reconciling disparate data sources across IT and finance systems during mergers and acquisitions, migrations, or initial stand-ups to provide a trusted source of hardware and software inventories. To learn more, please visit us at www.blazon.com. Thank you for your time.